Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, here we have a figure. So let's suppose this is the cylinder and the length of the cylinder is 10 meters and the radius of the cylinder is 4 meters and there is a water inside it. So the height of the water inside the cylinder is 5 meters. So we have to find out the volume of the water inside the cylinder. So it is equal to A area multiplied by length. We know the area and the length is 10 meters. So first of all, we have to find out the area. So we are drawing the segment from the same figure. So this is the radius 4 and this is the height of the volume of water. So this will be 1. The total height is 5. So this is 5. And now we have the two things, the triangle and the segment. So first of all, we are working on the triangle. So hypotenuse is 4, the base is 1, and we are using the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is perpendicular and this is base. This is hypotenuse. So for the perpendicular square, for finding out perpendicular square, p square equal to h square minus base square. So we know the hypotenuse, which is the radius, 4 square minus 1. So 16 minus 1, so it will be 15. So p square equal to 15 or p equal to under root 15. So now again drawing the same figure. So now here we have the 4 and 4, and this is the perpendicular, which is under root 15, and now under root 15 here as well. So for the area of the triangle, half multiplied by the two sides except the hypotenuse. So half multiplied by under root 15 plus under root 15, that is 2 under root 15 multiplied by the 1. So 2 will be cancelled. So the area of the triangle, it is under root 15. So now here we can say that the area of the triangle is under root 15. So again we have the same triangle. So now we are working on the angles. So it has the two angles. First of all, we have to find out one angle, theta. So tangent theta equal to perpendicular over base. So perpendicular is under root 15. So this is theta, this is theta. So this is the perpendicular under root 15. And this is another side under root 15. So under root 15 divided by base, which is 1. So theta equal to tangent inverse under root 15. So theta, the angle will be 75.5 degree. So 75.5 plus 75.5 for the two angles, so it will be 151 degree. So this side is 151 degree if we combine the two angles, 151 degree, and whatever the angle is remaining, it will be the other angle. So 360 degree minus 151, so that will be 209 degree. So for the area of the segment will be 209 degree divided by 360 into pi r square, the radius, which is 4. So the area of the segment after the calculation, it will be 29.1819. So now we have the area of the triangle as well as the area of the segment. So we will combine both of these. So we have 29.1819 plus the area of triangle is under root 15. Under root 15 is 3.87. So the area will be 33.05. So therefore the volume of the water inside the tank, that will be area of the segment multiplied by the length, we know the area, which is 33.05, multiplied by the length, which is given, that is 10 meters. So the volume of the water inside the cylinder, it is going to be 330.5 meter cube. So this is the volume of water